What is going on, legends? Welcome back to the channel. Now I do apologise, I don't have my hat on and it is windy, and well, we all know how wind noise is on this channel, but we welcome a new rig. It is sitting right behind the camera, so without further ado, I welcome you to the new rig. So in front of us we have a 1992 Ford Maverick. Now this is, you know, on the Patrol platform. It pretty much is a GQ Patrol, just with a few other things. But so this is the Ford variant of the GQ Patrol, which is like really good. I really love the GQ body style, and I just really like the Ford Maverick even more than the GQ. So as you know, on the channel, I'm not the biggest fan of super popular cars, and the Patrol is definitely one of those. So I really like the Patrol platform, and I want something that is a Patrol but isn't a Patrol, if you know what I mean. So we got this. Now looking down the car, we can see that it is fully TJM equipped. So if we go up here, we have this really cool TJM roof rack, as we can see, TJM Productions. We have across here the Grandpa Spec TJM side steps. These will get just painted up, but we might get some rock sliders in, we'll see about that. And at the front we have this alloy TJM bull bar, which wouldn't be my choice. If you've seen on the Zook build, I'm not the biggest fan of alloy bull bars. Just I don't like their look. Side note, this isn't winch compatible also, which is why we will be replacing it when we have the time for it and the money for it. But now we'll get into the engine bay and we will show you what goodness is waiting for you in this lovely hood. Right, so in here we have a NATD42, the best Nissan motor ever when it comes to full driving, apart from the black top, which is of course the one with the turbo, but turbos just clutter up your engine. You don't want that, it's wasted air. So we have an NATD42, and in my opinion the best engine for a Patrol. Now what is super good, and I'm really happy about it, is the previous owner has just gotten the injectors cleaned and the fuel pump redone, which is like really expensive. So it's good that he got that done, because this thing is running like a dream. Now we've already got a holder in here for a second battery and some wires. We don't really know what these wires are for because they're like both negatives, but we already have space for a dual battery system, catch can, everything's in here, even a Celsonic radiator. I don't really know if this means anything, a Celsonic radiator. It might be stock, it might be bigger, we don't know. We aren't the biggest experts when it comes to Patrols. Sorry, Mavericks. We aren't the biggest expert when it comes to Mavericks. So, you know, please educate us. Go down in the comments and, you know, write everything you know about these cars, because I want to learn more. Dad wants to learn more, and we want you guys to learn more about cars in general. So please do put those down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to respond saying thank you. Right, so in our interior, this is a bulk stock interior pretty much. Nothing really has changed. So far as what we can see, if we go in here, we've got a UHF UHF radio, and that's all that's been done. We go in here, we've got a couple more USB ports, which is really cool. We've got aircon, heater, that all does work. We even have a radio down there that works. Electric aerial, don't know if that comes stock on Patrols, so again, put that down in the comments if that does come stock. Now, my favorite thing, it is a manual. Personally, I prefer manuals. just you have more overall control over cars. You can choose what gear you want the car to be in instead of what the car wants to be in. We've got a transfer case, handbrake, everything, a nice big bottle of water, because not because it's a kettle obviously, because it's awesome TD42, but for us, we're moving the back. We can see actually quickly pedal caster. Yes, it is manual. There's a clutch pedal. Actually quickly, there's also a trailer controller thing here, a Technosha trailer controller. We don't really know how it works or what it does. If you do know what it does, please comment that down below, because I have no clue. Thank you. Alright, come in the back. Got Dad's big hat here. These seats, we've been able to sit in them, you know, we've done a couple 2-hour trips in this already. They're actually reasonably comfortable, and I would say almost more comfortable than a dual cab Amarok Ute, just because of the angle that you sit back at, which is really nice. We have power windows all around, which is really awesome. Central locking, you know, this thing's kitted out. Remove around here, got speakers in the back, and we got ourselves a dicky seat. I don't really know what these are actually called. I call them dicky seats. Again, put that down in the comments below if you know what they are. This will be coming out and will be replaced with a dual drawer system, which you will see in the next video. So make sure you're subscribed to see that coming up, because I assure you this thing will look awesome once it's finished. And that is pretty much the whole interior. Alright, so I really do hope that you like the new rig. Some may say it's a bit of a step down from a nice dual cab Amarok, but I firmly disagree. Quickly, I just want to go in and show you suspension and brakes, if we can get in there. Nice, I think they're heavy duty springs, which is really nice, which the previous owner would have put in, and it's all petted suspension. Now, as I was saying before, some may consider this a bit of a downgrade to a twin cab nice Amarok, but I firmly disagree. This has got, you know, it's got disc brakes all around, whereas the Amarok had drum brakes in the rear. This has probably got more power. It's definitely got more torque. Probably handles better even, because it's got the nice heavy duty springs. So I really reckon this is an upgrade, especially off-road. This is, of course, solid axle. Same as the Zook. This will be an absolute weapon, even on stock tyres. I reckon it could outdrive the Amarok, which is a little bit sad, but awesome, because I love these cars. Now, the real question is this the end of the Zook? I can assure you this is not the end of the Zook. You will see many more Zook videos of us building it, and hopefully us taking it off-road. Now, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do consider subscribing, because I assure you next episode will be an awesome build of this car. And like this video, I put, you know, a lot of effort into them, and I really hope you do enjoy them. I do apologise about the sound quality. We will get that fixed. Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, anything you know about these cars. I want to learn as much as possible. And follow my Instagram, it's Jensen M. Make sure to send me a message, anything, I will reply to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.